The market is very busy today. The market is very busy today. I'm going out to buy groceries. I'm going out to buy groceries. I like shopping in the evening. I like shopping in the evening. This market is very crowded. This market is very crowded. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? What is the price of this? What is the price of this? Please wait this for me. Please wait this for me. I want clean and fresh vegetables. I want clean and fresh vegetables. Can you show me the better ones? Can you show me the better ones? The market is far from my home. The market is far from my home. Do you have smaller sizes? Do you have smaller sizes? I need half a kilo only. I need half a kilo only. I want a paper bag. I want a paper bag. Pack this separately. Pack this separately. Don't put too much plastic. Don't put too much plastic. Please add some coriander. Please add some coriander. I need some green chilies. I need some green chilies. Give me 1 kilo of onions. Give me 1 kilo of onions. I want good quality items. I want good quality items. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. I will take this. I will take this. I can get it cheaper elsewhere. I can get it cheaper elsewhere. Reduce the price a little. Reduce the price a little. I buy from you regularly. I buy from you regularly. Give me some discount. Give me some discount. Here is the money. Here is the money. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? The price is too high. The price is too high. Can you make it cheaper? Can you make it cheaper? I will not pay more than this. I will not pay more than this. Please give me a fair price. Please give me a fair price. I don't like this shirt very much. I don't like this shirt very much. That's too expensive for me. That's too expensive for me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You gave less change. You gave less change. Please give me some change. Please give me some change. I checked my shopping list to make sure nothing was missing. I checked my shopping list to make sure nothing was missing. I have a coupon code. I have a coupon code. I will pay with UPI. I will pay with UPI. Do you take online payment? Do you take online payment? I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. These apples look nice. These apples look nice. This is not fresh. This is not fresh. There are many shops here. There are many shops here. I forgot my wallet at home. I forgot my wallet at home. I need fresh vegetables. I need fresh vegetables. I made a shopping list. I made a shopping list. That's enough for today. That's enough for today. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.